Do ceramic coatings remove or prevent scratches? So, hey everyone, this is Wes over at Deport Detailing in Hanover. It's a question I often get asked is, do coatings remove or do coatings prevent scratches? So first, let's go over, do they remove scratches? The answer is no, because coatings do not remove or fill in these scratches, so they are not make them visible. A scratch is into the clear coat and the coating just goes over top of the clear coat. It's not going to fill it in magically, and wax also doesn't fill in scratches. Well, side note there. But what does remove scratches is a process called paint correction. Paint correction is a process of removing clear coat using a polisher or a buffer is the old school term of it, and we do this paint correction prior to applying the ceramic coating. So we have a couple options for paint correction, and every ceramic coating package includes a light paint enhancement polish, which adds shine and gloss to the paint. Now, do coatings prevent scratches? No, but a coating actually provides a sacrificial layer, which then absorbs these scratches if you do get scratches from tree branches or other things like that. As long as they're light to moderate scratches, deeper scratches, they're through the clear coat, they can probably feel with the fingernail, those are probably too deep. Now, what can you do to prevent scratches? Well, proper maintenance, so properly washing your vehicle with a safe 2-bucket method, hand washing it, not taking it to the car wash. An automatic car wash using the brushes can damage your paint, scratch it up, things like that. So, or you also have PPF, which is paint protection film. This is a film that goes onto the paint, and it's also known as Clear Bra. But the price for this can range from like a front end, which is like front bumper, half the hood, about $1,600, to a full film coverage of the whole vehicle can range $4,000 to $6,000, $7,000, depending on the size, depending on the quality of film that's being applied. So, can you do coatings prevent or remove scratches? No. To remove scratches is through paint correction, and to prevent scratches is through paint protection film or through proper maintenance of your vehicle.